Concentration is not just focus, it is cooperation with the law of nature. When your mind is scattered, you push against life, fighting its current, resisting its flow. But when your mind becomes steady, held on a single aim, it aligns with the deepest law that governs everything. Concentration doesn't force nature, it flows with it. And that flow unlocks hidden powers. This is why every great achievement, every breakthrough, every miracle of human success rests on one secret, sustained concentration. And history proves it.